These 5 exercises will transform your body in just 4 weeks. First and foremost, no one should be self-conscious about their appearance. This is harmful to our emotional and mental well-being. We're all important members of society, and we ought not to be treated as inferior simply because we lack a flawless six-pack or shredded biceps. However, there's nothing improper with a desire to enhance our endurance and overall health. You may wonder if it's genuinely feasible to change your body in just 4 weeks. We all want to be as healthy and active as possible, but not everyone can make the time to join the gym. Some people would prefer to do their usual schedule at the gym, where they have a costly membership, while others prefer to keep things simple by eating less but healthier and performing their daily routine at home. So, quit obsessing over whether you'll cut your favorite foods from your diet and start doing severe exercises every day to modify your body. In this video, we'll show you 5 workouts that you can do at home each day to help you transform your entire body composition. In just 4 weeks, you'll notice positive changes in your waistline and overall body. You may not be able to accomplish the body of your fantasies in such a short amount of time, but these exercises will give you the emotion of being one large step nearer to this previously impossible goal. Number 1. The plank. Planks and other isometric exercises are excellent for losing weight and strength gains. By steadily increasing your hold time on planks, you'll gradually but steadily improve your power and stamina. Planks are an excellent abdominal exercise since they work every major core muscle group, such as the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, external oblique muscle, and glutes. It's a mixture of body weight exercises and physical exercises created to strengthen the abdominal muscles. So, instead of relying on dumbbells to gain strength, you use your body weight. It's just one rigid workout that'll assist you in gaining a steel core, ripped abs, and strong shoulders. Doing plank exercises daily is an excellent way to build up your core and thus assist your spine. The abdominal muscles protect the whole back and spinal column by assisting. However, to perform this role successfully, our core muscles must be powerful and regularly trained. The push-up. Traditional push-ups are useful for developing upper body power. They target the triceps, pectorals, and shoulders. They also could solidify the lower back and core by involving pulling in the abdominal muscles when done correctly. Push-ups are a quick and effective strength-building exercise. They can be performed from almost anywhere and don't require any special equipment. The push-up is the utmost bodyweight exercise because it engages nearly every major muscle in your body, allowing you to firm your entire body. It's impossible to say when push-ups were devised. Exercise does not require any tools and can result in significant caloric expenditure. This type of workout is regarded as one of the fundamentals, but it's also one of the most difficult. Push-ups are an excellent way to develop upper arm strength as well as a stronger core, so include them in your regular workout routine. To do it correctly, make sure your body is perfectly coordinated. If you're new to push-ups, adjust the reps. And once your body is used to it, challenge yourself by continuing to increase the sets. Number 3. The squat. A squat is not only a leg workout, but it also encourages overall muscle growth by catalyzing an anabolic environment. It promotes mobility, balance, and ease of completion of real-world activities. Squats increase metabolism and may aid in weight loss. They also decrease the risk of knee and ankle injuries. Exercise strengthens the tendons, bones, and ligaments that surround the leg muscles. Squats will assist you in developing quads, hamstrings, and calves while also reinforcing your entire core and increasing overall fat burning. The glutes, quads, and calves are some of the body's largest and most powerful muscles. As a result, an exercise that works all of these muscles, such as the squat, can burn a lot of calories and help you lose weight. Number 4. The bird dog. The bird dog is a simple core exercise that improves stability, encourages a neutral spine, and relieves low back pain. This exercise pose uses the whole body to target and strengthens your core, hips, and back muscles. It also helps promote proper posture and increases the range of motion. This exercise will strengthen and improve the endurance of your muscles by positioning yourself on your hands and knees. This exercise also increases core strength in both abs and lower back. There are tons of benefits to the bird dog exercise, including total body and core strengthening, as well as shoulder mobility work, balance, and coordination. Number 5. The glute bridge. In addition to the glutes, it tends to work the hamstrings, lower back, and abs, with many of the benefits of a squat. Another advantage of the glute bridge is that it doesn't put any strain on the lower back. This is also an excellent exercise for people who can't squat due to back, hip or knee pain. The bridge exercise improves your glutes and hamstrings while also improving core stability. It's simple to incorporate into a strength training routine, can serve as a warm-up, and can even be utilized as a rehab exercise to improve core and spinal stability. The glutes are strong muscles that power the majority of our lower body movements. We can vastly improve our lower body power and endurance by working these muscles. As these muscle groups become stronger, your strength and power will generally improve. A strong core will also assist you in improving your posture and alleviating lower back pain. Bridge exercises are relatively safe for people with chronic back problems and can even help with pain management if done correctly. And with that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to show some love, by the way. Click the subscribe button and then hit like. See you in the next video.